What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nelson and in today's video it's going to be real short and straight to the point. It'll be about how to fix an audio problem that I've been having in Premiere Pro. And if you've been having the same problem, then this is going to help you out as well. So occasionally when I start some new projects in Premiere Pro, I've gone to load the video clips in, and as I drag the video clips into the timeline, there's no audio. The audio does not come with it, so I just have the video only with no audio whatsoever. So I have no idea why this is happening, and it only happens sometimes, but I will tell you how to fix it if you are having the same problem. So let's jump in on the computer. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. We're here now in Premiere Pro. So I've got a sequence already lined up here and I have my test footage that I will be playing. It has sound, very cinematic, but when I go back to drag it into my timeline, you'll see that it only brings up the video, and when you press play there's no sound. So I couldn't figure out why that's happening. I've looked everywhere on the internet, not sure why it does that, but I found a solution. So if you delete that, you'll see right over here that the video 1 marker is checked, but the audio 1 marker is not checked. I still don't know why that's happening, but I found that if you check that and then you go back up to your video source, you can drag it in and you'll see that there's audio and it works fine. So that's how you fix the problem for the no audio when you're dragging in your video clip into your timeline, is to make sure that this marker here is checked for the audio section. Yeah, but if anyone has any idea of why this is happening, please let me know down in the comments below. That would really help for me and for other people that are watching this video. So that's it. Real quick, real short, real simple, straight to the point. Thanks for watching guys. Hit that like button if you found this informative and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content. Catch you in the next one. Peace.